Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 32. Being without beginning and being devoid of qualities, the Supreme Self, the imperishable, though dwelling in the body, O Kaunte, neither acts nor is tainted.
अनादित्वान् निर्गुणत्वात् परमात्मायम् अव्ययः शरीरस्थोऽपि कौन्तेय न करोति न लिप्यते.
Chapter 13, Shloka 32. If the one self be the self in all beings, then it must be necessarily acting and earning the reactions, vasanas. To prove the fallacy of such a conclusion, it is said, even though in the presence of the spirit, the matter gets thrilled, the spirit is actionless and remains unaffected by the changes in matter. The all-full infinite, being one without second in its all-pervasiveness, has nothing to accomplish for itself and hence no desires. We have also seen in the previous shloka that it is nature that acts. The spirit identifying itself with field, prakriti, becomes the knower of the field, Purusha, and it is this individualized ego that acts and accomplishes. The following example makes this clear. When Sri Prasad, the judge, condemns a murderer to be hanged, he is not considered to have committed a murder. It is the judge who passed the order and not Sri Prasad who acted as a judge. Only that which has a cause has a beginning, since the truth is that from which everything comes. It is the uncaused cause, hence no beginning. Effects are nothing but cause in a different form. Effects are substances with form and qualities and therefore changing and must perish. Truth, the imperishable, doesn't undergo any change and hence cannot have any form and qualities, as that which has qualities is a substance and all substances decay and are perishable. The imperishable infinite must therefore be without any quality. The Supreme Self, though living in the physical structure and thrilling the inert matter field around the embodied creature into the play of life, does not in itself and by itself act. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.